I've been seeing everybody on my For You page saying that we always don't have Chipotle vinaigrette. So I'm going to make it for you guys right now, bro. So, all right, let's go. Starting off, we got 1 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. Period. And then this is like maybe like a half cup of some honey. There you go. Pour it in there. What else we got? You're going to do 1/4 cup of water. And then you're going to do 1/4 cup of salt. Yeah. There goes Steph. That's my girl right there. Then we got 2 tablespoons of adobo. I can literally make another video about that because there's so many different ingredients with that in there. This is the tricky part. So this is where you gotta blend the oil. This is 3 3/4 cups of our rice oil. You gotta do it for like about 2 minutes. And then you stop blending it. Put some black pepper. Tablespoon of that. Where am I? Oh. Then you got 2 tablespoons of oregano, of course. You gotta have oregano. And then that's it. You gotta mix it. Mix. Don't do that there, please. And voila, there you go. And please, I'm so sorry, y'all. But this is what the company wants. They want 2 ounces each cup. So I'm sorry.